Alright guys, here we just they've given many options. We need to find which one is incorrect basically. Okay. For these questions we can consider pi as 180 degrees. We don't have to necessarily put shift and put pi on your calculator. It's gonna make it more complicated. So consider pi as 180 and solve. So let's see which ones aren't correct. So here we have 5 times 180 over 36. So this is true. Half of 1/4 of pi equals 60, so it's 180 over 4. Is it 60? So this is incorrect. And let's do 180 over 5 to see. Yeah, it is 36. Let's check these. 5 times 180, you get 900, and you divide that by 8. Do you get 150? No, you get 112. So let's just check these ones. 5 times 180, 900 over 3. This one's correct. 5 times 180 over 4, that gives you 225. Okay, so these are the only ones that are incorrect. Here again, let's consider this radical as 180 degrees, because you know that a full circle is 2 pi and 1 radian is 180 degrees divided by pi. Okay, so okay, just consider pi as 180. So cos is 1 over secant, right? Wait, sorry, cos is sorry, I thought that was okay. Cos is basically just the thing on the calculator. Cos is, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, cos of radical over 3. So in brackets, cos, in brackets you put 180 divided by 3. You get 1 over 2. Okay, temporary, we just put that here. Now tan of 180 divided by 6. So put tan 180 divided by 6, and then you'll get radical 3 over 3. So you multiply these two, and you get radical 3 over 6. So the whole number that you have to replace it with is 6. Okay, now I'll just write down the conversion. 1 radian is equals to 180 degrees over pi, and if you want to go from degrees to radians, it's 1 degree equals pi over 180 radian. Okay, so now they gave us 140 degrees, so just cut this off for now. 140, you multiply both sides by 140, so pi 140 over 180. So if you simplify, you divide 180 by 20 to get 9, right? So the denominator is 9 here, so you divide it by 20 to get 9, and you divide 140 by 20, you get 7. Okay, so 140 degrees equals 7 over 9 times pi. Alright, so the question mark will be 7. Here for this question, it's easy because you just have to put the values and put sign. I'm not gonna do it because some you're not able to put the options, so it's just simply put sign and you put 45 and so on and so forth. You do it for maybe cos, you can just put cos and find the values. And for one of them, it's undefined. So whenever you get an error, that's undefined, okay? Here, find the exact value. Okay, here we have to do secant. So secant's basically 1 over cos. So here it's 1 over cos 180 divided by 4 times 1 over tangent 180 over 4. So if you do that, 1 over cos in brackets 180 divided by 4, and it's radical 2. And if you do it here, you get 1. So if you multiply radical 2 times 1, okay, let's just do it. 1 over tan 180 divided by 4. Yeah, you get 1. So it's radical 2. Here you do tan 210. So that's, if you do that on your calculator, you'll get, so you get this, radical 3 over 3. Okay, and you multiply that with secant. Secant is 1 over cos 360. What is 1 over cos 360? Do that on your calculator and you'll get 1. So okay, so that's radical 3. So the answer is radical 3 over 3 times 1. So just put in fraction form and put radical 3 on the numerator and 3 on the denominator. Here we have another conversion question. So they're asking from radians to degrees. So to do radians to degrees, you have to do, you multiply 3 over 5 times pi radians times the conversion factor. You get 1. You'll have to do it by 180 over pi. So 3 times 180 is 540 over 5 times 180 over 180. So 540 divided by 5, and you get 108 degrees. Alright, that's pretty simple. So I'm just submitting to see if everything else was right. Okay, alright, thank you.